Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing an unboxing and assembly video of the Secretlab Quiccs. Okay, so first, before we proceed with the Secretlab Quiccs, I'm wearing the Techmob shirt from Project 721 by Carlo Ople. So ito yung t-shirt nila na for part nung Techmob nila. And gusto ko lang mag-feeling na part ako nung mob na yun dahil nga tech channel din tayo. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. Okay, so proceed na tayo with the Secretlab Quiccs. So for those who doesn't know about Secretlab and Quiccs, I'll give a brief introduction about them. So si Secretlab, it is a gaming chair company which founded by two StarCraft 2 players. So dissatisfied with the current options available in the market in terms of the gaming chairs, that's why they founded Secretlab. So Secretlab is a well-known brand, not just here in the Philippines but all around the world. So they are also collaborating with the gaming industry. So mostly talaga esports players yung target nila kasi nga gaming chair to. And si Quiccs naman, if you're not familiar with Quiccs or if you don't know Quiccs, Quiccs is a Filipino toy designer. Actually, marami na siyang napanalunan na awards in terms of toy design making, and very famous yung toy line niya na Tech63. So si Tech63, which is yung inspiration ng Secretlab na chair na to, is Japanese inspired robots with a mix of hip-hop elements. So sobrang unique nun, kaya marami nagkagusto sa Quiccs na design na Tech63. Actually, nagkaroon din ng collaboration si Quiccs with Adidas na featuring the Tech63. Yung Tech63, meaning daw nun is the end game quest or technique. And then yung 63 na number is yung country code natin, which is country code ni Philippines, which is 63. So very Pinoy talaga yung toy line. And yun nga, very unique talaga ng mga design ni Quiccs. So now you know Secretlab and now you know Quiccs, and then nagkaroon sila ng collaboration and ito na yung kinalabasan, which is the Secretlab Quiccs. Okay, so let's proceed with the unboxing. sobrang ganda niya talaga guys. So didiscuss ko na lang din yung sa tingin kong mga features na sobrang okay dito kay Secretlab. Not just with this specific design but the Secretlab in general. So I think ito yung pwedeng maging deciding factor if you are getting this Secretlab. Okay, so si Secretlab Quiccs, yung design niya is CPU leather lang. Wala siyang soft weave. Pero I think this is one of the best feature ng Quiccs na to is yung using the PU leather kasi iba yung design niya if leather yung pinanggalingan compared to soft weave. Well, at least for me. So, yung PU na ginamit dito, sabi ni Secretlab is the 2.0 which is yung upgraded version nila nung PU which is mas matibay daw and mas less yung cracking or peeling. Yun, naglabas din sila ng peel protection program though sayang kasi sa Singapore lang siya applicable na pag nasira yung Secretlab mo due to peeling, pwede nilang palitan. Pero sa Philippines wala pa yon. So take that into account if you're getting APU design na Secretlab. Pero for me okay lang kasi mas madali siyang punasan if ever madumihan. And yun lang, proper maintenance lang, dapat well ventilated or at least naka-aircon yung room mo para hindi siya ganon kabilis masira. Pag yung soft weave or yung fabric kasi, ang cons naman nun, pag natapunan siya ng liquid, 'di ba? Parang siguro mangangamoy yun and mahirap maalis yung color or yung stain unlike pag leather. So yun lang, weigh in nyo na lang yung pros and cons ng different design ng PU or fabric. So for me okay lang yung PU. Nirisk ko na rin na kahit na nasa Philippines tayo mainit, baka magkaroon ng peeling. So nirisk ko na lang yun kasi gusto ko talaga yung design and gusto ko talaga yung collaboration na to. Next feature siguro I think hindi ito yung pinaka sought after for this pag binili mo yung Secretlab na to or any other Secretlab. Well for me it's a good addition. Yun yung memory foam pillows na sinama nila. So magkakaroon kayo ng dalawang pillows which is yung backrest and yung neck pillow. So sobrang good add-ons niya for this and mas nakakadagdag siya sa comfortability nung Secretlab. And yung pinakagusto ko yung neck pillow which is sa loob pala nun meron siyang gel para pagka malamig, mas lumalamig yung feeling niya, mas nakaka-relax. Next feature na pinaka nagustuhan ko is yung metal armrest. So yung mga bagong Secretlab, hindi na plastic yung ginamit sa armrest but metal na siya. Not just yung metal yung nagustuhan ko but yung adjustability nung armrest kasi meron siyang 4D na tinatawag or yung 4 directions. Kasi pwede mo siyang i-adjust up and down, side to side, left to right, forward and backward, and diagonal. So depende kung paano mo siya gagamitin. So sobrang okay niya kasi sobrang na-adjust siya kung different ways. Kunyari, nag-computer ka, keyboard and mouse, there's a specific orientation na kailangan mo, or nag-ano ka naman, PlayStation, so iba rin yung paraan ng paghawak ng controller na yon. So pwede mong i-adjust ng nakaslant. So sobrang galing niya kasi ano siya talaga, depende sa need mo kung paano mo siya may adjust. And maganda yung option na, maganda yung alam mong may option kang pwede mong baguhin yan. So for me, isa to sa best feature ni Secretlab. And then obviously yung mga design. So ang gaganda ng designs ni Secretlab. So specifically this one, the Quiccs collaboration. So I think this will be the start of collaboration of Secretlab, not just with the gaming industry but also with the other pop culture. So, ayan, nagsimula na kay Quiccs and excited ako sa mga susunod. So, sana magkaroon ng Star Wars. Secretlab Beke naman. And lastly, pinaka nagustuhan ko and hindi ko pa nagamit pero nabalitaan ko is yung warranty nila. So, grabe yung after sales service nung Secretlab. May nabalitaan ako na may damage yung backrest, pinalitan yung buong backrest. May damage yung seat naman, pinalitan yung buong seat. So, sobrang okay nila and I think part yun sa binabayaran mo which is nakukuha mo yung value ng binayaran mo which is for me hindi mo makikita sa ibang gaming chair company. Okay, so magbibigay na rin ako ng initial score ko based from my first impression, first week of use. So, nagamit ko pa lang siya for 3 days pa lang or 3 days pa lang. So ayun, well pwedeng magbago tong scores na to siguro pag magkaraan ng 6 months or 1 year, so mag-upload na lang ako ng video about that. Siguro 1 year na lang para good na siya as a review talaga. Pero initial impression, initial use, ito yung scores ko. So for the packaging, grabe naman yung packaging guys. Box pa lang parang gusto mo nang i-collect and ayaw mo nang itapon. Pero dahil maganda siya, parang gusto kong itabi. And not just the box, pati yung container nung mismong backrest. Ang ganda kasi yung plastic niya, may logo pa ni Secretlab and ng Quiccs. Pero yun nga, so parang at the attention to detail, so sobrang okay nung packaging. Pati yung lagayan ng tools na pangkabit, naka-box pa and may sariling container and ang ganda ng presentation. So kung compare mo siya sa mga gadget natin, parang same siya ng packaging ni Apple. So ganun yung nakikita ko sa packaging ni Secretlab. Kaya for me, my score is 10 out of 10. Next is the quality. So yung quality niya, grabe rin naman. Yung ginamit na materials, yung metal, yung leather, sobrang okay. As in, alam mong premium yung item, alam mong luxurious yung feeling niya, and alam mong mahal din talaga siya. Kaya sa tingin pa lang, alam mong mahal na siya, it means worth it yung binayad mo kahit na mahal siya. Plus yung mga details ng mismong upuan, like yung stitches and yung embroidery niya, sobrang ganda, and yung attention to detail talaga, sobrang meticulously created. Kaya for me, yung quality niya is 10 out of 10. So next one is the comfortability. So yung comfortability nito, actually nung ina-assemble ko lang siya, parang matigas yung foam. Kasi parang sabi ko, parang ano ba to? Malambot pa to? Kasi pinipindot ko, parang medyo firm siya. Pero nung naupuan ko na, nagets ko na kung bakit medyo firm siya. Hindi siya ganun kalambot na para kang dudulas, na parang beanbag. Hindi naman siya sobrang tigas na hindi na siya komportable. Nasa middle siya, and which is for me okay as a chair. Kasi iba naman yung lazy boy na sobrang lambot, diba? Parang iba naman yung purpose nun or intended use nun. So hindi siya ganun kalambot kay lazy boy, and hindi naman siya ganun katigas like the traditional chairs. So yun nga, plus nagsama pa sila nung additional na pillow, the memory foam pillow. So sobrang comfortable niya for me. Kaya yung score ko for comfortability is 10 out of 10. Next is the adjustability. Well, given na yung up and down ng upuan and then yung tilt and recline ng upuan. Pero siguro selling factor din yung up to a certain angle para ka nang nakahiga. And for me, okay din yun. Pagka long work and you want to rest for a bit, you can do that. And maganda na pwede may option yung Secretlab mo na gano'n. So, okay yun for me. And then, yung ano talaga, dun talaga ako nabilib sa armrest nila, yung forward direction. So, yung adjustability niya talaga is sobrang magbe-benefit ka. Kasi depende sa use case mo kung paano siya i-adjust and paano siya gagamitin. So, for me, the adjustability is 10 out of 10. Next is the design. So, dito, magkakaiba tayo ng preference and magkakaiba siguro tayo ng pantingin. For me, in general, maganda yung mga designs ni Secretlab eh. Kahit yung mga normal lang nila na hindi collab, ang gaganda na ng designs eh. May pagka-premium yung design niya eh. Well, yun for me. Yun nga, sabi ko, subjective siya. Plus, this one is a collaboration with Quiccs, and which is very rare. And this one pala, if you don't know, 200 lang yung na-release niya worldwide. So, ni-release to sa US, sa Singapore, and sa Philippines. So, 200 lang worldwide available tong specific design na to. So, sobrang rare niya na. Kaya for me, hindi ko na siya pinalagpas. That's why my score for the design is 10 out of 10. Then, lastly, yung price dyan. So, dito, magkakaiba rin tayo ng budget pag in terms of buying a chair. I think ito yung pinakamahal na Secretlab kasi yung collab niya with Quiccs na may free toy. And normally, nag-range lang siya from 24 to 25. And then, yun nga, ito, 36 yung Omega, then 38 yung Titan. For me, the price of 36,000 based dun sa mga nasabi kong features and based dun sa mga score, I think worth it yung 36,000. Yung quality na makukuha mo sa packaging pa lang, sa materials na ginamit, kung ano yung itsura nung mismong chair, and last but not the least, yung after sale service nila or yung warranty. So I guess sobrang sulit na siya for me. So that's why the price is 10 out of 10. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.